So this is Omelets Pro Chicken Coop. Cool name. Managed to put it together myself, thank you very much. It's very easy to put together. So we just need to keep moving it around the land so they get fresh grass. Little locking system on here. And up. Look at that. Then you can get in. Look, it's cool. Little nesting boxes. Very easy to access, easy to clean, take apart. A few eggs, 4 eggs. Yeah, it's perfect really. And I'd like to say it's very easy to move. Quick, quick, quick. Quick, 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 quick. Have we killed one? No. Look at that. Fresh grass. See, I moved all that and the eggs stayed on top. That's how smooth the ride was. Look at this lovely tree. I planted this tree. Right, what we got? 1. 1 in trap 1. It's trap 2 saying. Got a fair few. 1 in another tray. Hey, you reckon that's quite funny? Good morning. We're doing pasta today. We're gonna make a lot of pasta. Pasta is relying on good yolks. So you know how fresh an egg is as well by how together the albumin is. Remember, on the side, not on the sharp edge. So you can see how it sits up. Fresh eggs. All of our yolks in here, they're probably a little bit smaller than shop-bought large eggs. Good flour. So super fine fleur in. It's definitely in there. Pinch of salt. In the smallest corner in the world. The most productive corner. Splash of milk in with our yolks. Ring, dance.
Do you really want to see that?
Yeah. Yeah, baby. Flour's in, eggs in the middle to an extent, and we're not going to beat the crap out of this because we're just going to use the machine just to bring it together, and then the rest we'll get it moving by hand. Lovely, like a biscuit dough almost. So we're just going to bring it together. Now it's brought together, it looks a bit not really well worked, but we're going to do that later on. Just want to let it chill out. I don't want to keep working it, though it will tighten up and tighten up and tighten up. So chill, baby, chill.
Hi, Jeff.
All right.
You're famous. You know, hashtag Michelin star money is now a thing.
Pasta is rested, and then we're going to start to work the pasta through the machine, starting on the widest, and we're going to keep folding it just to keep stretching the gluten.
So what's in the filling?
Go on, Mike.
Heavily roasted chestnut mushrooms, and then yeah, truffle pecorino, bechamel, and then bit tarragon.
First of all, bechamel goes in, pasta's rolled over and crimped, and then you just work your way down it with your thumb, down the filling to make sure that all the air's out of it. And then Jordan's just cutting it at the desired length, which is the Sharpie, the official measuring tool, which is the Sharpie. So Tom is on the pasta section tonight, as ever, and he's got beautifully seasoned water on section ready to go. Mushroom bolognese is going to go on the dish first of all. Pasta's blanched for about 2-3 minutes.
That's the hot pan.
And just put through a hazelnut vinaigrette with some hazelnuts, sautéed black trompette mushrooms, and then it's finished tableside with a sep sauce, which is some soft green herbs, chervil, bit of tarragon, chives through it to leave lovely vibrant green. So this is the bolognese. And then the vinaigrette is just warmed through when the pasta's cooked. And then black trompette mushrooms sit on top of the bolognese for aerated sep sauce. It's finish of soft green herbs. Mega.